Hi everyone, my name is Brittany. I'm a realtor here in Northeast Florida, serving St. Johns County, Duval County, and the beaches. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can make your home look bigger and sell faster. A lot of people are gearing up for the springtime. They're going to be putting their homes in the market. Buyers are going to be looking around, trying to see if they may want to purchase something. And if you're going to be putting your home up for sale soon, these are some things that are going to help you put it on the market with its best foot forward. So the first thing that I recommend is to declutter. Anything that you can live without in the short term while you're selling your home, go ahead, pack it up, get it out of the house, whether it's in your garage or in a storage unit. The less, the better. It will really help people be able to feel how spacious your home is and see it for the true size that it is. And also, it saves you a lot of time later when someone actually purchases the home. You don't have to worry about packing everything up at the very end. My next tip is if you have rugs in small spaces, think about maybe removing them. This can really open up a space and make it feel a lot larger. So something to think about if you have a rug in a small space. Another thing that you may need to do is remove large pieces of furniture. If you have a lot of furniture or just really bulky furniture in a room that may be making it look smaller, consider putting some of that in storage if you can, just so you can really make sure the sizes of the rooms are being highlighted and they don't feel like they're small, because people will start to get concerned they may not be able to fit all of their furniture in those small spaces if it's very cluttered. Paint goes a long way. We all know this. No one likes to have to move and repaint a house, but if you especially have dark paint and it's making a space feel a lot smaller, I would recommend most of the time probably painting that a lighter, more neutral color. That way people won't feel like it's small and dark in that particular area, unless for some reason maybe it's like a movie theater room and it's more appropriate. But otherwise, it's probably going to be in your best interest to just go ahead and repaint that into a lighter, more neutral color. My next tip is to empty out your closets as much as you can. That doesn't have to mean you have to get rid of everything in the closets, but especially the master closet, it's really easy, especially as you're moving, to pack up boxes and try to shove them in the corner. You don't want to do this though, because they can feel so much larger when they're not cluttered, especially if the floors are empty. So do your best to clean out those closets. Also, if you already have a small closet, you don't want to make it appear even smaller by having it be full. Go ahead and remove items that you don't need from there. My next tip is to remove your personal taste items. You would be surprised at what people are turned off by. Anything that is kind of controversial and people may really like it or really not like it, go ahead and remove it. It's probably not going to be needed. And if not, it's not going to hurt to remove it. And at least this way you know that people aren't going to be turning their noses away because of one particular item. My next tip is to brighten it up. Obviously, paint can do this, lighting can do this. If you have a space that could maybe use an extra lamp or a different type of light bulb. And what you might want to do is, if you have light blocking curtains in bedrooms, or some people even do it in living rooms, is maybe consider removing them or replacing them if you think you might use them in your next home, or if you can remove them temporarily so that they're not blocking the natural light coming into your home. That's a big deal for a lot of people. You don't want to have your curtains preventing them from getting a really good look for what your house is, and mean that it's not going to fit their needs enough, when in reality, if they just changed the curtains, it would fix it. And my very last tip is to deep clean your home. Make sure when you put your house in the market or when people are coming through to check it out, it's as clean as possible. People are really turned off by dirty spaces. So whatever you can do to deep clean it and make sure there's no odors, no pet hair, any of that, and will ensure that that is not the reason why they're not choosing your home. This video was very helpful for you. Hopefully some of these tips will help you out. If you have more tips that you would like to share, leave them in the comments below. And if you're in the area and you are planning on buying or selling soon and you don't have a realtor yet, please feel free to reach out to me. I would be happy to be a resource for you. If you want to see more videos like this, and you also want to learn more about this area, the Jacksonville area, St. Johns County, the beaches, Duval, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be pushing out a lot more content. So I wanna showcase the area a lot more so people can get a good idea of what it's like here, the pros, the cons, what there is to offer, all of that. I'm even gonna go into the neighborhoods, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.